It is summer in Auckland, but what does that look like here in the city? Well, the obvious one is Te Manaki, the massive Christmas tree is up in the square. You'll see it here. Our streets are lined with beautiful red pohutukawa trees, also known as the New Zealand Christmas tree. You'll see cruise ships in the port. There's Christmas lights up in the city, various events, which includes fireworks. And of course, in the Southern Hemisphere, it's a summer Christmas, so there's blue skies and the sun is out.
Today we're going to take you on a walk through the city to show you what it looks like on a beautiful summer's day. And seeing as we're so close to the cruise ship terminal, we have to show you because there's a ship in port and the passengers are all around the city just having an amazing time. The one amazing thing about Auckland is the cruise ship almost parks in the city because it's so close to all the action.
Enough about cruise ships, I need coffee, let's go. Okay, before we get to coffee, there is another cruise ship. There's actually 3 in port, but it's the Disney, so we had to show you.
Chantal's got a coffee now, I've got a cold beer, and we're sitting at Wahlburgers, which is on Prince's Wharf, enjoying the beautiful ocean views with the bridge in the background.
The reason we came here is because we wanted a little coffee spot that's close to the water, which for Auckland isn't always that easy for us to find. Our favorite though is the Boy Cafe at West Haven Marina, but we kind of wanted a spot in the city, so give us your recommendations, please. Now that we've had something to drink, we just took a walk to the end of Prince's Wharf, which is probably one of our favorite spots here in the city. You can come right to the end and you have this amazing view of the bridge, and yes, there's a 3rd cruise ship. I wanted to tell you about some of the Christmas things that we have done so far this month. The first thing we did was to go cut down our own Christmas tree like last year.
We have come to Mount Gabriel today. It's in Mangere, about 20 minutes from the city, to find a Christmas tree.
So when you arrive, you can grab a saw and a measuring stick, and then you can come Christmas tree hunting. The tree prices are measured by height. Maybe I'll be the one to cut it down today. Got this.
Are you winning?
Back to Craig.
Got my tree, let's do it.
Only thing left now is to take it home and decorate.
Merry Christmas.
Then I went with my friend Candy to go and see the lighting of Te Manaki, the big Christmas tree. That was also a lot of fun. Craig didn't go because he was running a race. 4, 3, 2, 1. Last night we went to Christmas in the Park, which is one of my favorite events actually of the whole year, and again, amazing fireworks. Speaking of Christmas, we got an early Christmas present. We got it on a really good Black Friday deal. And actually, how do I explain this? I'm talking into my Christmas present. We got a new camera. It is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It also came with this mic, so you'll probably see it in our videos going forward. We're also able to do a few different shots now, so please let us know what you think of the sound and the picture quality, and we're also filming in 4K, so hopefully it's a Christmas present to you too, where we're upgrading our gear for better videos.
So what Chantal is also trying to say is that we're using this video to test out the camera, to test out the mic, to test out how it sounds, to test out all the settings, because we're still learning and this camera is awesome. So let us know what you think. As we are still testing this camera out, we thought we'll try the onboard mic, so we don't have the external mic switched on right now, and it's off. So we'll see what it sounds like. Hopefully it's still pretty good.
However, this is a really good shot actually. Look at the color of that water.
Oh, so good. Wow.
Wow.
Beautiful day. Auckland City.
We are on our way to the fish market. As we were going to go across this lifting bridge, it started going up. Please let us know what you think of this cool time lapse, because we are having so much fun with this new toy.
So good. It is a vibe. The city is full of people with all the cruise ships here. It's so good. And there's a little secret swimming spot here by the bridge.
Which we're not going to go swim in today. We've shown it in a previous video. We don't have our costumes, our togs here. But it's really nice.
So good. Especially like a day like today, it's just hot. So good. But check it out.
And the view from the water is so cool because you can see the Sky Tower.
Yep, bridge is lifting again. Boats are busy.
Oh, there's so many Christmas parties as well. We saw a boat coming past and they were singing Christmas carols.
It's so nice seeing all the restaurants full of people here in Wynyard Quarter. It's hot, summer's day, it's so good. Auckland is a vibe. We have come to the Auckland Fish Market for some lunch and drinks. It is one of our favorite places where we get our fresh fish from too, which is really good. This is where we get our fresh fish for our ikamata, the elephant tuna, and we've tried the salmon. We've also tried snapper from here on the braai, so it's so good. The nice thing about the fish market grill behind me is you can take your own fillet and get them to grill it for you, which is $7 a fillet or $10 a whole fish. But you've got to buy the fillet here from the fish market.
I'm going to get my lunch from the fish market deli. And you can actually make your own plates. So you basically pay per portion. I'm thinking of getting 3 things, different things, and that will be around $22. So we actually haven't been to the fish market in a while, and I am so impressed by all the options that there are. I got 2 oysters, one for Craig, one for me. I filled my plate with ceviche, ikamata, which we learned about when we were in the Cook Islands, and it's one of my favorite things ever. And I also got some mussels. This camera has an active tracker on, so I selected my face. Follows me. That is pretty cool.
I ordered the steak, well, the fish steak, chips and salad, and I got the moki, which is the market fish of the day, all for $18.
We just had our oysters. I had the shot set up and I didn't press record because I was too excited to eat it, and it was so good. It was an oyster with seaweed salad and caviar. I'm going to start with the ikamata.
They're using a trevally, which is a cheaper, maybe a more firm cut of fish. We like to use tuna or salmon.
I can't believe I'm getting this whole plate for $22, raw fish, and 3 different dishes. And it's low carb, so that's good. You can add corn chips at no extra charge, so I just put them there in case Craig wanted some. Then we try a mussel, a sweet chili mussel. This is so good.
I've ordered the moki, which is their market fish. Comes with chips and salad and their signature sauce, which is really good. Fish kind of tartar mixed with a bit of chili is so good. The fish is quite small, but for that price, really, really nice.
Lunch was absolutely amazing. I'm so glad we came here because I love seafood and it just goes hand in hand with this beautiful summer weather. We have come to the outside section now. Hopefully live music will start soon. But I've grabbed a little cocktail. I don't know how much sugar is in here, but it's a small one and it's green. It's my green juice for the day. Nice and refreshing. There are a few seagulls lurking around outside. That's why we decided to eat inside. So we don't need to deal with them trying to steal our food, but I can see them sitting on the roof area looking for opportunities.
I have my beer, a good Sawmill Hazy. We're sitting here with live music outside. It is the perfect summer's day here in Auckland. What more could I want? Because this is my perfect day.
So this video turned out to be a little bit more about us testing our new camera than us showing you a summer's day in the city. Please let us know what you think about the footage and the sound and all of that stuff. But thank you so much for watching all of our videos this year and all of our adventures local through China, through the Cook Islands. We might have one more coming up, but you'll have to wait for the new year to see what that is. So we hope you have a really good Christmas and a great time with family or friends or loved ones or whatever you decide to do. And we'll see you again in the new year.
And a Merry Christmas from me too, and a cheers from me to you and your family with the best beer you can find in your own town. I'll see you in the new year.
Bye! When are we going on a cruise? That is my question. And then I'm gonna put that footage in here, okay? Future Chantal when you're editing. This camera is so small though, and it feels very fragile. So I'm very nervous using it and losing this. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. But it's not on camera because I didn't press record.
Oh well.
Dummy. Okay, mic at arm's length. Testing right by my mouth. Okay, mic is clipped on, and this is also a test. Mic is far away. Craig's holding it far away. It's closer, 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 closer. I'm just gonna keep on talking.
And cheers to you. I will cheers that. No idea what it's saying.
Okay, the mic is arm's length.
The mic is off.
Oh,